It's only good to talk about them now after, but when you're going through it, so if you're somebody out there that's listening that's going through the same sort of thing, like maybe things fell apart, maybe you made a mistake, maybe somebody cheated you, but either way, you realize that you need to build for the first time or rebuild. And I mean, just taking those same steady actions, the biggest thing that I heard from what you were saying is you were taking these steady actions even though they felt terrible. You know, your fear and trepidation every single time you're about to go on a podcast, and you have to keep. It's just like going to the gym. It's just like starting to run or starting to eat healthy. I'll just let you know, last year I lost about 85 pounds,
Wow.
and I didn't realize that all it was,
Congratulations.
well, thank you.
That's a
I'm glad it's gone.
that's an accomplishment for sure.
Thank you. The exact same steps that it took to get there and to keep going every single day, and you don't see any reaction, you don't see any response, you don't see any results for many, many, many months, actually. For me personally, it was like 3 months, zero change.
Mhm.
And I just kept going and kept going. And I knew, I was like, I've never met a single person in my entire life who worked out really hard, ate right, and didn't get in good shape,
Mhm.
you know? And so I knew that in my mind. And it's the same sort of thing you're talking about. I've never met anybody who just keeps doing podcasts, who just keeps interviewing people that doesn't improve their network,
Mm.
that doesn't wind up meeting people that lead them to something else, like another mastermind. You know, that was a great example. Winding up in other masterminds from interviewing people. I've gotten very lucky to be in some masterminds where I've been able to bring those people on, and you'd be surprised that the dominoes start to fall. You have no
Mhm.
idea where this one person's going to lead, and it's amazing by keeping doing those steady tasks. So if you're out there, if you're one of these people who's just like Alan and I, wound up at the bottom, wound up where we're starting over, consistent action, the same thing. Just keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it.